3DSearch is one of the most fundamental apps on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Mastery of finding the data that you need is critical for all the other apps you will use on the platform. 3DSearch is available from the white search box at the top of your dashboard, no matter what tab you're on or what app you're currently in. Simply click in the search box and set the proper options for how and where you want to search. There are two shortcuts for quickly accessing your last search results and to see your content. Now just type in any part of the name, description, material, or any other attribute of a file that you would like to find. Searching for PRD is a way to find all physical products, parts and assemblies, on the platform. After you're presented with the results, you can use the 6W tags to filter down to find exactly what you're looking for. The 6W tags are accessed on the left side of the screen or from the tag icon just to the right of the search box if they don't automatically show. The 6W tags are the who, what, where, when, why, and how of the files. The search results will update as you choose the 6W tags you would like to filter with. After a file has been found in the search results, you can select the arrow to the right of the name for a quick access menu, such as preview, viewing relations, and opening with a certain app. Or, of course, the file can also be dragged and dropped from the search window to one of your dashboard tabs, and then into an app on that tab. Custom tags can also be added to files to make them even easier to find. This is done through the 3D Spaces app. Simply select on a file, then access the 6W tags from the tag icon next to the search box. At the top of the 6W tags window, under tag name, you can enter in a custom tag and then hit the Add Tag button. This custom tag will now be available to use when doing a search in the future to quickly find the file you're looking for. By default, the search results window will fill your entire browser, but there is an option to have the search results show up in a side pane on the right with the 6W tags on the left. This may be preferred by many users, as it is then easier to drag and drop into an app without having to drag to a tab first. 3DSearch and 6W tags can also be accessed from inside of SOLIDWORKS in the 3DEXPERIENCE task pane on the right. All of the same options are available for opening the file or looking at information about the file. Mastering the 3DSearch app and the 6W tags will ensure that you can connect to the data you need on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform in the fastest way possible.